first step in removing the cover of a Galaxy Dehumidifier is to use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the safety screw that's located on the bottom edge of the front grille at about the 6 o'clock position. Once the safety screw is removed, rotate the grille clockwise to remove it and set it aside. Next, you need to unscrew both screws on the front faceplate located about the 3 and 9 o'clock position. Next, gently push down on the top edge of the faceplate to release it and pull it away slightly from the dehumidifier. For step number 3, you need to disconnect the display wire that is still connecting the faceplate to the dehumidifier. For step number 4, you need to move to the back of the dehumidifier and remove the rear grille by rotating counterclockwise. Moving on to step number 5, you need to grab the Phillips head screwdriver again and unscrew the back faceplate of the dehumidifier. Just like with the front faceplate, there's one screw on either side of the cutout at about the 3 and 9 o'clock position. Gently push down on the top edge of the faceplate to release it, but don't remove completely just yet. For step number 6, we need to remove the sensor before we can completely remove the faceplate. The first step in removing the sensor is removing the outer plastic housing of the sensor. Next, for step number 7, you need to disconnect the cable from the sensor and unthread the sensor cable from the faceplate. For step number 8, you need to use an 18mm ratchet to disconnect the drain nut that's located on the exterior of the back faceplate. Once the drain nut is disconnected, you can remove the back faceplate completely. For step number 9, you need to use the Phillips head screwdriver again to remove the screws on both sides of the cabinet. At this point, you can also choose to use a drill instead if you want the process to move a little faster. Keep in mind that there are going to be 4 screws per side. Finally, for step number 10, push down on the power cord and lift off the cabinet.